Hey guys, Ricardo here with Movers Boost. And if you're a moving company and you're not using your photos correctly, you're leaving a ton of traffic on the table. Not paid ads, not referrals, free traffic from Google. And the crazy part is you're already taking these pictures every single day. You just don't know how to turn them into SEO. In these videos, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take photos you already, how to take the photos you already have and turn them into traffic, better rankings, and more book jobs. So let's start simple. Step one is taking pictures. But even here, most moving companies do it wrong. Let me show you a few examples, and I'll be talking about this. So let's start simple. Again, taking pictures. That's the number one thing. But well, when you are in a job, take multiple pictures from different angles. Take before and after shots. Take pictures of your crew working, packing boxes and stuff, and take pictures of the truck, the home, and the items. And very important, hold your phone sideways. This avoids those blank bars. It makes your content look um, unprofessional. So without that, it will look very professional. It will look good. Again, sideways. You don't need a photographer. You don't need a videographer. You don't need all this professional stuff. You don't need a professional camera. Your phone is enough. Consistency is what matters here. Consistency is key. So um, let me show you what I mean. Once you have the photos, don't leave them stuck on your phone. Upload them to your computer and then upload them to the Google Drive folder. You can upload into the Google Drive folder directly from your phone. We will provide, um, we will send you a Google Drive link so you can upload all the pictures there. So we can use it. Um, we can upload them to your website, Google Maps, everywhere. This makes everything easier moving forward, especially if you're going to keep doing this consistently, which you should keep doing it. So, um, one option that we have with the Google Drive folder is having, city, type of move, date. So now everything is organized. I actually can show you an example of that. Let me show you. So in this particular case with this client, first start the moving crew, we have here um, different folders. One is approved, one is archived, used. So we have used all the pictures that he has sent. That's why you don't see anything here. And we rename them, as you can see, home movers, residential movers, packing. We have videos here as well. So we will send you this um, with, the folder so you can upload in there. So this is where SEO actually starts. By default, your images will look something like IMG um, uh, dash 3423 JPEG. So that's the name of your image. But that means nothing to Google. So what do? You rename the file, something that we are doing right here. We rename it Movers Worcester County. This is a video. Um, Instead of, that formatting IMG dash 3483 JPEG, you change it to Miami Movers, Miami Moving Company near me. Now your image is telling Google exactly what it's about. So, um, and the next step is uploading the image to your website. Um, you can rename your images once you upload. Well, before we continue, we you can rename the images just by right clicking, renaming, and putting right here the new title. That will help you a lot with Google seeing exactly what it's about. Now, you have to upload this image to your website. When you upload it, you'll see something called alt text. So the alt text, let me show you that here. This is the alt text. And the alt text is basically a description of the image. It helps search engines understand what they're looking at. So instead of leaving it blank, you can write something like moving crew in Miami handling a local 3-bedroom move. So that's one example. Simple, clear, and keyword included. So now we go a level deeper. Some platforms allow captions, descriptions, and you have that option. If you have that option, use it. That's our recommendation. So right here, you have residential, moving to a new house, whether home, apartment, or condo, or local movers will help you pack. Move your bathrooms safely and quickly. This is a description, caption, and surrounding text. Again, if you have that option, use it. For example, well, that one that I just showed you. If your website builder doesn't allow that, no problem. You just add text around the image. This helps both search engines and real people, understand what they're looking at. Explain, you can explain the details of that move right there. Um, so here's where most moving companies missed out. They do all this work and only use the image once. So that's a big mistake. You should upload these images to your website, social media, and especially your Google Maps profile. We will do all of this for you. But in case that you're not working with us yet, that's our recommendation, and you could do that too. This builds consistency across your entire online presence. It increases your chances of showing up in more places. So let's check um, our client right here. This is one example of, well, you have to upload the same images to your website, social media, and especially Google Maps profile. This builds consistency across your entire online presence and increases your chances of showing up in more places. So let me show you this. This is an example of our client, Fresh Start the Moving Crew. We have to upload their pictures to their Google Maps, even videos, as you can see here. And this will help you a lot with showing up in more places, showing that you have content, increases your chances of, getting more traffic and turning that traffic into leads and book jobs. So here's the big picture. Search engines don't just rank text, they rank content. So when you consistently upload optimized images, you're sending signals uh, that your business is active and real and relevant. So over time, that translates into more visibility, more traffic, more leads, more book jobs. So you don't need more tools, you don't need more ads. Of course, if you want to increase your budget, if you want to spend $10,000, we can help you with that. But our recommendation is always we need all these things in place first before we put an X amount of budget into the ads, because you can spend $10,000 on ads right now as today, and we will start spending it as best as we can. But if you don't have all these things in place, we will be just wasting money, because people will see you, we will put you in front of more people, a lot of traffic, but that traffic will not turn into leads if you don't have this. So just need to start using what you already have. Take photos, rename them, upload them properly, add content, and reuse them everywhere. We can do this for you. Um, and if you do this consistently, you'll start seeing results most moving companies never get, because let's be honest, no one is doing this. If they don't have a marketing agency, they'll probably just run ads, but they will not do all of this for you. We will. So if you're interested in our services, knowing more about Movers Boost, just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, fill the form, and I'll be calling you the next 15 minutes. And we will check your website. It will be a consultation. We will check your website. I will check your website, see what's happening, what you need, and discuss strategies on how to get you more traffic, more leads, more book jobs in the next 30 days. So thank you for watching the video and see you next time.